Welcome to Kimminau Floors, where we believe in delivering exceptional flooring services with a touch of convenience. Today we're talking about the moving options during hardwood floor refinishing or installation. We understand that moving furniture off the floor can be a major inconvenience, and that's why we've partnered with a professional moving company, integrating them into our scheduling software to ensure efficient furniture relocation. You might wonder why we choose professionals over our staff for furniture moving. Our employees are trained craftsmen in sanding floors, not moving furniture, which requires a specific skill set and comes with significant liability concerns. So we trust the experts with furniture relocation while focusing on delivering exceptional flooring services. Finding the right place to store your belongings during the refinishing or installation process is essential. We prefer keeping your items inside the house in a climate-controlled area like the basement or another space outside of the scope of work. If that's not feasible, we utilize the garage as the next best option. For added safety during specific seasons, we offer the option to rent a pod or even arrange storage in a remote climate-controlled facility. We highly recommend using felt pads to protect your newly refinished floors. When the movers bring back your furniture, they'll take care of attaching the felt pads to the bottom of the chair feet, as long as you can provide them. It's an easy and affordable solution to safeguard your beautiful floors from potential scratches. The price for movers will be listed as optional on your proposal. If you decide to include it in the scope of work, just make sure to check that box before approving the quote. At Kimminau Floors, we believe in delivering exceptional flooring services with convenience in mind. If you're interested in any of our services, click the Get Quote button at the top of your screen. Thank you for tuning in to Kimminau Floors.